my animal art project. And this is the goldfish tank. Goldfish are very smart and they are very friendly. And they also had a memory. And they can hear. And they have 5 fingers. They don't have teeth and tummy. They had lot of colors: red, black, orange, golden, Leo, and don't throw the garbage things in the water because the fish are eating and dying and sick. You can use the garbage things to do some art project. I made this sweet. What does and some googly eyes and some with juice bottle lids. And I use some pistachio to make the shells. I got some foil paper to make the stones. I got the shopping bags to make the flowers. And the teacups. We love animals and protect them. Thank you.